Hello everyone and welcome back to our latest competition here at Import Wizards. Absolutely incredible Toyota Chaser, guys. JZX100 Tourer V manual R154. It does actually just look black until the sun really hits up close. It's a dark metallic bronze. You can see the sparkle there, hopefully. We do have the actual colour code for this paint. Some nice OEM style Aero at the back, the skirts, and then a big Wind front lip. Really high quality stuff there. Roof spoiler on top there just sets it off really well. Blue glass wing mirrors are always really cool. Quick close up to the wheels then. How friggin' awesome are these Work Emotion D9Rs with some rainbow style nuts. Work Emotion, made in Japan. And the fronts there too then. Staggered there, a bit more of a dish on the back. A really cool feature about these wheels is this Work Emotion sticker. And the reason for that is it actually glows in the dark. Check it out. Some gorgeous OEM wind deflectors there. Oh yeah, another really cool thing. We have a reversing camera. Fully working there with the aftermarket head unit inside. Cool stuff. Twin exit shotgun pipe exhaust. Guys, this thing is so loud, easily the loudest chaser we've ever had. You'll hear that soon. Lovely clean factory Tourer V interior, guys. Just all the bits you need. Lovely road car. Nice JZX style Razo gear knob. Spin turn button on the handbrake. Razo foot pedals. DEFI link meter there as well. HKS EVC. Controllers for your DEFI gauges. Record playback. Very nice little Nardi personal steering wheel there. And your DEFI gauges. I know it's blinking there, it's just the way the GoPro picks it up. Just a really tidy, nice, clean example all over. Do you know what, guys? I don't use this word a lot, but I think this car deserves it. It is absolutely mint. Let's look at the part everybody loves. 1JZ GTE. Again, just really tastefully modified. You've got your HKS Aftermarket intake, nice Grady alloy radiator, Grady front mount intercooler, and all the Grady intake pipes. Cusco strut tower. Pretty sure it's Cusco coilovers all round as well, but get a look in the lift soon. Something else you'll like to know is it's got a TRD LSD. that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and like our chaser. If you fancy your chances at winning this beast, just check out the link in the description, grab yourself a ticket. Absolutely amazing car, expect this one to go pretty quick. Huge thanks to everybody that's entered so far. I'm gonna have to get out of here, it's absolutely boiling. Best of luck everybody, see you at the draw, thanks.